Hey guys, it's me, the Happy Cultivator, and it's time for another update on the Urban Empire. Well, the update this time, guys, is the stucco. That's right, the outer shell of the house is basically complete. Rose is here, admiring the house as well with me. So here's the back side. So let's go out and show you guys the view from the street. So there you go, guys. There's the view from the street. Pretty nice. So here we have the front with the siding on there and Daisy there and hiding behind the bush. But there you guys go. So look for the next update and we'll have some more interior for you. With that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.